Hi and welcome to All Scholars Tutorial. I'm Jay and in this video we'll be talking about subjects. Now, the login account is for Obomo Jeremiah and the ICT and the account is for ICT admin. Now, we are going to be using this See More button to actually have access to more dashboards which we are going to work with. Now, the dashboard we are going to work with is for subjects. And the one beauty about this application is that this application doesn't come with a pre-configured subject or term or session or report category or classes or arms. You can, when you get the application, you will now configure it depending on your school operating parameters and your preferences. Now, for this particular application, the copy of the application, we have that we can view the already created subjects, can create a subject. Right click on this button and view the already created subject. When we click on that button, it will present us with this particular interface. We have Islamic religious study as one of the subjects created. We have the agricultural science as one of them, Christian religious studies, mathematics, and English language. When we click on one of them, it's something like agricultural science. We have that the name is agricultural science, the type is a science subject, and the short form is agri science, and the position is 6. Is actually offered in both junior and senior secondary school. Now, actually, we can click on here to edit it. We can actually view more. Go back to the page by clicking on this. Go back to the page of viewing all of them. We can click on deactivate. We can deactivate this one, and it's become not active any longer. Now, at this particular point in time, whenever subjects are being listed and we want to work on subjects from any part of the application, either working on it as a teacher or as the first principal, we will no longer have access to mathematics because it's deactivated. We'll activate it back. And one bit about this particular interface is that you can actually download the subject you have from this using their button. Okay, let's go back and just show you how it works. This place you can click on it and download or export out this particular information as an Excel file. When we click on this save button, we have the capability of actually viewing this and working with data, or we can actually reformat it to a particular format which we, for our choice, have data coming up now. It has come up, and this is Islamic religious study. It's an subject. The question is 11. Short form is IRS. No power of that. Science, just like that. All these ones. Then can go back. Okay, coming back to this home page, we click on this See More, and we have access to the subject dashboard. We can click on this create subject. Then you can enter more subjects. Let's say, for example, now we'll be entering fine and fine arts. The type is another subject. Short form, you can call it F arts. Then we have the position maybe 11, maybe 10. Juniors for both junior and senior classes. Then click on this save button. It gives us this and tells us that fine arts. So let's basically find out that the name is fine arts, type is arts, F arts, and this, and it confirms what we intend to create. You can go back to that page and have access to everything. You can actually continue to work on it depending on what you want. You can create more and more to actually fill up all the subjects that are being offered in the school. And at this juncture, we have come to the end of this video, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you for checking out this video, and make sure your school is signed up on All Scholars. Goodbye.